Hey, welcome to the Entrepreneur Class channel. In today's video, we are going to look at Learnworlds Online Course Platform. Learnworlds is a tool to grow your academic online courses, coaching program, and empower your audience. When you are looking at the best or searching for the best online course platform, then think about Learnworlds. So to get access to this page, where you are going to get started for free, click the link in the video description. So Learnworlds is a number one AI-powered LMS software built for course creator, from digital product to marketing and selling tools. Get everything you need to build a profitable business all in one scalable platform. And in case you want to watch the demo of the Learnworlds, then click the link in the description of this video and get access to this page and click watch a demo. Therefore, you're able to watch the demo and see how the Learnworlds software is working. What type of course platform would you like to create? So Learnworlds is created for different platforms such as coaching, creators, customer training, enterprise LMS, finance, health, and so more. So it depends on your industry. So the Learnworlds is built to satisfy you if you are a coaching, if you are a course creator, if you are a customer trainer, if you are enterprise LMS, if you are in the finance or health industry. So don't forget to click the link below to get started for free. Then with Learnworlds, you can craft learning experience your customer will love. You can craft learning experiences your customer will love. Then with this software, you can create engaging and effective training. It helps you to create engaging and effective training. Engage your learner with interactive videos, ebooks, one-on-one group sessions, assessments, certificates, surveys, and so much more. In addition to that, it is the most versatile course experience. So you can build beautiful team for your course player and flexible for free, paid, private, deep field, or curated course pathway. Then with this software, you can get a social media token. It's the number one tool that help you to build a relationship with a social force training school. So to learn more about the Learnworlds, click in this video description and get started for free. With their free account, that you can look at all the features that the software have and how it can help you to build a successful and profitable online course. Hope that this video has helped you to understand how Learnworlds can help you in your own journey or in your online course journey. Don't forget, if these videos help you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like it to receive more content like this. So wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.